Hi guys, today we'll be talking about Eigenlayer and the whole restaking meta that is shaping up to be one of the main narratives for the 2024 season. So how does Eigenlayer actually work? When developers are building their project and they're building their services, they want to utilize Ethereum's security and consensus mechanisms. So Eigenlayer serves as a bridge between node operators and developers by providing this security, but a whole other array of services as well. They don't stop at security. They provide data availability, oracle pricing, maximum value extraction from the processes that the service is providing, faster bridges, decentralized sequencers. It just doesn't stop. Eigenlayer is truly trying to live up to the ideal of hyperscaling Ethereum in a meaningful way. And of course, projects and the general public have taken note, and that is the main reason that they have accumulated over 1.3 billion in total value locked over the last few weeks and months, where they have secured several partnerships with many restaking protocols that we'll be talking about today, such as SWELL, Ether.fi, and others. And most importantly, we have still time to participate in this potential airdrop because Eigenlayer is raising their caps on February 5th. But we don't have to wait February 5th to restake with Eigenlayer because we can employ strategies that we're going to talk about today. And you can also stay until the end of the video to see a really advanced strategy that you can use to really maximize your yield. Another reason why we cannot ignore Eigenlayer is the fact that many projects are going to be using their infrastructure, one of them being Altlayer, who has reserved 13% of their airdrop allocation to people who have restaked with Eigenlayer. Keep in mind, you needed to have at least 720 Eigenlayer points to qualify for this airdrop, and that was not that easy to achieve in just a couple months. Luckily for us in Discord, we have started restaking all the way back in summer, so we're sitting very pretty right now. But this is what we always say, the value of quality information in the world. Unfortunately, our brains are hardwired to perceive value in a way that if you pay for something, you value it more and you involve yourself more in the process. So understand that paid discords and paid communities are really the places where you can get the best content out there. So what can we do to qualify for Eigenlayer airdrop and potentially other restaking protocols as well? First things first, the native restaking remains uncapped, so you don't need to wait February 5th to actually start employing these strategies. You can simply connect your wallet and deposit your ETH natively to their validator. However, it makes a lot more sense to expose yourself to a little more risk by going with SWELL staked Ether. So you would go to app.swellnetwork.io, you would deposit your ETH, you would get SWELL ETH, you would also get 30 pearls for deposit and another 30 pearls for restaking. And that way, at February 5th, you would be getting a 2-in-1 airdrop strategy. If you want to take it even a step further, you can go with Ether.fi or with Kelp DAO. These projects will also give you their liquid staking derivative, and you can automatically earn yield on it, also gain the Interpoint loyalty points, which could qualify you for their eventual airdrop, and as well as Eigenlayer points once they automatically deploy this strategy in their vault, because Eigenlayer is their partner. If you're going to be utilizing Kelp DAO, you can deploy either staked ETH from Lido or Frax ETH, but I would highly recommend, since they have a promotion going on right now, to get extra points from Kelp DAO, extra mileage. You can go and utilize the strategy explained here. First, deposit your ETH into Stader Labs and you would get ETHX, which you can already earn yield on. Next up, you would go with this ETHX on Kelp DAO and restake it for extra yield in a way of a restaked ETH, so-called RS ETH. And then you can utilize this RS ETH further in different DeFi strategies, such as on Pendle. And on Pendle, you can use your RS ETH for an incredibly boosted APY of 24%. However, the catch is in that you have to lock a portion of your liquidity for 5 months. And why did I say a portion? Because in the case of Pendle.fi, if you are going to restake with them, you will only get 1/3 of your tokens in the token that you are restaking with. The 2/3 in the case of this liquidity pool would be in the principal token of Pendle, and this one has a maturity of 5 months, which means if you want to utilize this insane APY on your ETH, you would have to make sure that 2/3 of your liquidity can be put aside for the period of 5 months. And if you choose to go with the Ether.fi route, you can see that Pendle is again the project with the highest TVL, offering the best DeFi rates. Understand as well that all of these projects have their referral systems in place, where if you use the referral code to access them, you will get extra mileage, extra benefit on your deposit, and it's a nice way to support the channel if you find this content valuable. Consider liking and subscribing. I will do my absolute best to answer all the questions from the comments below, and see you in our Discord, where we really do our very best to make 2024 a year to remember. Have a great day, and till next time.